Namaskara, good morning. Today let's talk about headache. This topic came up because we have been seeing a spurt in the number of children and young adults coming with headache for consultation. In fact, many a times parents are bringing their children to the consultation room with an announcement that their kid has totally immersed into the gadgets because of the school or because of entertainment or because of other hobbies. They are always glued to their mobile phones or laptops. And this behavior is causing headache to the parents also. Well, definitely screen time in excess can cause headache. Referring back to one of the previous videos where we discussed about screen time, to recollect, there are a couple of things happening when somebody is looking at near objects, especially mobile screens or laptop screens for prolonged periods of time. The first thing is to keep the eyes focused on a near object. The accommodative muscles and the convergence muscles are being used excessively. This either exhausts these muscles, which give up, they can no longer converge and accommodate. This causes a strain and the mechanism leads to headache. Or on the other extreme, the muscles get into a spasm or overaction, leading to poor relaxation, accumulation of stress around the eye in the forehead and causing a headache. Both of these can be picked up in an eye clinic and appropriate advice can be given. In the situation where there is excessive accommodation, a few eye drops for some time can relieve this and normalize the accommodation. When the accommodation has got exhausted, when the body has given up, some training exercises can be taught which will help the kids to pick up the accommodation and convergence. A second cause of headache could be inappropriate glasses. By inappropriate, I mean two aspects. One is the power on the lens. The second one is the centering or positioning of the lens. The lens has a certain power which has to compensate the refractive error in the ocular system or the visual system. And this changes with time, especially in children when they are growing. So periodically this has to be checked and an appropriate corrective lens has to be advised. Second thing is the lens position has to be coinciding with the visual axis of the eye. This piece of lens has got two centers. One is the geometric center, which is nothing but the center of the lens on a geometrical scale in the frame. Second one is the optical axis. Optical axis is the point of least refraction or least deviation of light when the light passes through that point. This point, that is a point of least refraction, that is the optical axis, has to be coinciding with the visual axis of the eye. So the visual axis of the eye has to be aligned with the optical axis of the lens. When there is a discrepancy between these two, when there is a mismatch, there is an excessive strain built up in the horizontal muscles or the vertical muscles, depends on which direction the lens is decentered, that causes headache. So when you visit an eye hospital, even this can be picked up. Not only the number has to be checked, the centration has to be checked. A third cause would be high pressure, either in the eyeball or in the circulatory system, that is the blood pressure, or in the brain. High pressure in the eye, of course, is not a problem of childhood. But we have seen some young adults and elderly adults who have come with headache with higher eye pressure, that we call glaucoma, which we will separately discuss. The other aspect, high pressure in the brain, that can happen rarely in children and adults also, can also be identified in the eye hospital. The third cause, the higher pressure in the circulatory system, that is the higher blood pressure, is usually once again a manifestation of the elderly people or adults, not children. But of late we have seen few teenagers coming for the first time to the eye hospital for headache and having been picked up with high blood pressure. When an eye doctor examines the eye, many a times there are signs of high blood pressure that can be picked up in the retina. This will lead us to check the blood pressure and refer to the physician for appropriate care. Lastly, inflammation in the wall of the eye or within the eye, respectively what we call as scleritis or uveitis, can also cause headaches. These herald themselves by not only headache but also with red eyes, loss of vision sometimes. This way they can also be easily identified in the eye hospital. These are few common reasons of headache. So whenever there is a situation of headache, it's good not only to see a physician or a pediatrician, to also see a eye doctor. So to summarize, there are definite causes of headache because of the eyes, which can be easily picked up in an eye hospital and managed. Also sometimes life-threatening conditions like very high blood pressure or high brain pressure can also be identified in an eye hospital and appropriate referrals will be made. So it is worthwhile to see an eye doctor along with seeing a physician or a pediatrician for headache. Thank you.